Hello my diamonds, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi. If you like my content, hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell and run those lights up for me. Now let's get into this video. Now with this company of this morning that I have is called Copart, and the job role for this company will be a customer service representative, CSR, and it's a part-time remote position. And the salary for this company would be $18 an hour. Now the full job description goes as this. The remote customer service representative, CSR, provides exceptional customer service in internal and external customers of Copart. Through a thorough understanding of Copart practices, the CSR offers solutions that aid and facilitate a unique customer service experience. The primary function of this role is to obtain the release of vehicles that are located at body shops and or other locations, including residences, in addition to other office support functions as needed. The CSR is the face of the company, as they are often the first interaction our customers have with Copart. Through a thorough understanding of Copart practices, the CSR offers solutions that aid and facilitate a unique customer service experience. Understanding client needs and offering solutions and support. Position may expand to include chat and email customer support, answer and place calls in a professional manner, measure on-call quality, knowledge level of professionalism, time to place follow-up calls, focus on a first call resolution, use company resources to gather information, and offer solutions to meet customer needs. Other duties are assigned. Now, this company has to have 1 year of office support experience in a customer service role, preferred high school diploma, excellent customer service skills and attitude, excellent written and verbal skills, proficient with office equipment, attention to detail, problem solving, computer proficiency, MS Suite, typing speed 45 words per minute, professional appearance, ability to multitask in a fast-paced environment, bilingual skills A+, and occasional overtime as needed. Now the pay start is at $18 an hour. For nearly 4 decades, Copart has led its industry in innovation and customer service, enabling it to grow profitably in markets across the globe. Our success is the direct result of the skills and efforts of our talented and diverse employees. Our mindset is never just a job. When your coworkers are like family, it's like coming home. Now, it just got posted today, this job with Copart. And the job role for this company, once again, will be a customer service representative, a part-time remote position. And it's based down in Eldridge, Iowa. So go ahead and jump on it. Don't let nobody dim your light. Keep going. Stay motivated. Keep going. Stay focused. And keep your eyes on the prize. You got this. Like, subscribe, and comment down below if you like my content. And turn on that notification bell. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, diamonds. Have a great day on purpose.